If you've clicked on this video, you probably have some interest in the trucking convoy over at Parliament Hill right behind me downtown Ottawa. I'm Matt Wolfson. I'm a lawyer here at David Amber's law office where we do criminal defense advocacy. That is, we assist people who've been charged with criminal offenses, but also with the regulatory offenses. Many of the truckers have stated that they plan on staying down there for quite a while until what they call vaccine mandates or regulations requiring vaccinations in order to cross borders without quarantining or go to restaurants are lifted. Section 2B of the Charter protects the freedom of expression. What it says specifically is that everyone has the following fundamental freedoms: freedom of thought, belief, opinion, and expression, including the freedom of the press and other media of communication. Now, what's going down there is political expression, and that is one of the main points of the Section 2B Charter guarantee. That's probably the main thing it was meant for, to allow citizens, to allow people to petition their government for change because they want some sort of political redress. They want to be heard. But Section 1 of the Charter is going to allow for some limitations. Specifically, Section 1 says that the Charter guarantees the rights and freedoms set out in it, subject only to such reasonable limits prescribed by law as can be demonstrably justified in a free and democratic society. So first, when you do a Section 2B analysis, you're going to see that it protects pretty much all forms of expressive content, but then the question becomes whether or not the form or the activity of the expression is going to be protected. So a street, for example, we know that they're used for parades, we know that they're used for marches, we know that they're used for protests, just like that, and that's fine, but those things can never last forever, because the public purpose of the street is to move things or allow people to visit places and people. And what the Supreme Court has said is when doing this type of analysis, you need to weigh whether or not the public purpose of that government property can properly accommodate the form of expression. And that's what's going to be tested as time goes on. Again, I'm Matt Wolfson, David Amber's Law.